Hey guys, it's me Tanuj back with another video. So in this video I am going to review Cardinal AOSP ROM on my Mi A1 and we'll talk about its pros, cons, stability, battery management and many more. So if you guys want to know more about it, then please watch this video till end. So now guys, without any further ado, let's get to it. So guys, as you can see, this is my Mi A1 running on the latest Cardinal AOSP ROM version, which is 5.5. So without any further ado, let's talk about the ROM itself. So as you can see, state bar is of black color because this ROM comes with pre-built substratum theme, which is really good, which you don't get in any of the ROM right now available for Mi A1. So let's talk about the system. So as we go into the about phone, you get this Cardinal AOSP version, and yes, this ROM does have OTA update function, which is pretty good. You don't need to dirty flash any same ROM if you want to update that particular ROM. So as I go back again and go into the Android version, which is 8.1.0, latest in Android Oreo, and as I go into Android security patch level, it is 5th April 2018. Then as I told, Cardinal AOSP version is 5.5 and kernel version is the which you get here. And yes, another interesting thing is that this ROM is the first of its kind which has Shell Linux status enforcing. So in enforcing, what you get is you can use your bank apps like Google Pays, then Paytm and etc., which you couldn't get access because you had root in previous ROMs in which Shell Linux status was permissive. But don't worry, in this ROM you can use your Google Pays without any problem. So as I go back again and go into gestures, you get your swipe fingerprint for notifications and jump to camera, same as stock ROM. And as I go back again and go into the wings which you get here, it does not have plenty of customization options, but it's okay, these are plenty good. And yes, this ROM does not have navbar functionality, but I enabled it with a Magisk module. So if you guys want to enable it, don't worry, I will give the link in the description so you can flash this module through the Magisk or TWRP. Then as I go into the buttons, I told you can use that volume button wake, then volume button music control, and in general as I go in this, you can set your UI style, which can be light dark depend upon your wallpaper, then scrolling cache, then sensor block per package, vibrate on contact and etc. Then as I go to the lock screen, you get this other functions which are hide button shortcuts, secured quick settings, secured power button and many more. And this ROM does have this FP unlock in which it can allow unlocking of device using fingerprint directly after boot. So this is still under the beta development. As you can see, at last it has been written note at your own risk. So I will enable it and I will tell you later. And last, the recents option, which it can show you clear all FAB and clear all location, which you want, then you can enable, and don't want, then just disable it. And as I go into these themes which I told you earlier, this is the theme which you get with the ROM, which is Margarita, which whatever you say. Then let's talk about the ROM now. So yes, this ROM does have inbuilt Pixel launcher, which you didn't got in other ROMs. I think so Pixel Experience had inbuilt GF, so it had Pixel launcher, but yes, this does have Pixel launcher inbuilt. Then you get this equalizer like Dolby Atmos. If you want, then you can make your own custom one, or else just select the random one which you want. Then as I'll cancel this all. And another best thing is that this ROM is pretty stable, and you won't feel that this is a custom ROM. Really feels like you're using a Pixel 2 device while I was using it. And yes, this ROM is really good when compared to other ROMs. Then another thing is that you don't get this Dolby Atmos. I had flashed a Magisk module, so don't worry, you won't get any Dolby Atmos. And let me show you some of its Android Oreo functions like YouTube and Telegram or Substratum. So as you can see, both of the Windows does work, so don't worry, it would work perfectly. And Lastly, I want to tell you that VoLTE even works fine. Let me show you. So as I go into my phone app and type 121, so as you can see, VoLTE even works fine, so don't worry. And lastly, the fingerprint scanner. Yes, it is pretty good and pretty fast. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you guys want to watch more about it, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Tanuj Joshi signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then, peace.